Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the app and creating your first note. Open the Sticky Notes app, grant storage and notification access so syncing will work. Tap the plus icon, type a clear title and the content you need, then pick a color to visually code the note. Once done, save and make sure sync is enabled for backup. These steps set a reliable base so your notes persist across restarts and devices. Now refine the note and put it where you see it. Edit with bold or lists for clarity, attach an image or voice clip for context. To keep it visible, add a widget. Long press your phone's home screen, choose widgets, pick the sticky note widget size, and link the specific note. Then set reminders or alarms if you need timed prompts. Make sure to pin urgent notes or move them to a priority folder so they stay in view. Finish by organizing and securing your notes. Tag or move related notes into folders so retrieval is fast. Archive older items to keep the list tidy. Turn on auto backup or export periodically to a cloud account to prevent data loss. If something goes wrong, check this troubleshooting tip. Clear the app cache, confirm storage and account permissions, and if sync still fails, force stop then reinstall the app. That usually restores normal behavior and preserves your work.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.